everybody, today we're doing bird feeder.
Yeah, we're gonna make a bird feeder, and we're gonna actually make it look like a heart, so it's kind of, you know, for Valentine's Day. So all you need is a few things. You need some Fruit Loops. We got some Cheerios too. You can always do 2 different kinds. And then we got the pipe cleaner, which
So it doesn't get messy.
so we've had this since Christmas, so we're gonna use those and just string. So it's pretty simple. So what Noah's gonna do right now is actually just go ahead and put the Fruit Loops on the pipe cleaner, and he's just gonna string them through. Once he's done, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up and make it like a heart. So I'm gonna go ahead and have him start. Okay, I'm sure he'll eat some on the way. Because who wouldn't want to eat some Fruit Loops, huh?
I'm gonna pick a hole.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick a hole like this.
Yeah, you put it in the hole, just like that. So you're gonna fill it up, okay? Can you do that for mommy? Okay. So let's fill it up, and then what I'll do is close this end so you don't go too far. Okay? Okay. So go ahead and start filling them up, and then mommy can do Cheerio one. Yeah? Okay. I think this will be good because you know why?
Race it up.
Oh, we're racing, I guess. This will be good because we have a birdie outside right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a bird that normally comes to the house every year, and she has a nest that she builds, and she has an egg and it hatches. Oh, what do you have there, Dylan?
I have the earth candy. There's nothing.
You're still racing?
Yeah.
Because I think you're beating me.
No, because I almost think because the line around the ground. Playing the ground.
See, just like that. See? You want to show me what you're doing so far?
No, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, so keep on going.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. The bird needs to eat.
I'm gonna go on top of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have some more.
Yeah, I have a lot more.
So you just put it on the ground so you can make it.
Okay, just like this. And I'll bend it just like yours. See? See? Just like that.
No, I have to put it on the ground.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it, you gotta do all of them. Okay? Okay, you're gonna do all of them. Yeah?
Then I will move
You want to
away.
make one? Come on this side. You want to try making one? Huh? Yeah? Want to see, Dylan? Oh, stand up, Papa. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go like this. Look, Dylan. Can you put it on like this? 1, 2, and 3, like this. Wow. You see that? You see that? You know, for fun, I know there's some Cheerios that are pink. So you can always do pink ones for Valentine's Day, huh? Because that'll be cute.
I want to like icon.
Yeah. Or you can just do red Fruit Loops, and that would be fun too.
Or purple or blue.
Yeah, you can just do different colors, like solid colors. So that would be fun.
Benderland.
Let's see. Look, Bubby.
Look.
Up! You're almost done.
I told you, Mommy.
You're fast. You're gonna win.
I told you on this side. Yeah.
You're gonna sit, or you're gonna stand, Dylan? What are you trying to do? Sit on the table? Huh? Sit on the table?
Mommy.
Okay, that's good.
I'm done. I'm gonna finish going to the top.
Okay. And then when you're done, Mommy's gonna finish it and make it like a heart, and then you can do another one if you want, okay?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because the blue's getting one.
Yeah? The bird needs more food?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
hungry.
He's gonna get hungry?
Yeah. Hey,
You won. Okay, let me see. Let me see that one. Good job. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. All the way to the top. So, mommy's have to take off 2 because I'm gonna have to fix it.
You want a heart?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a heart. Okay.
What a heart?
I gotta put it together. Good job, Dylan. You almost got it. So Dylan, how to do it? I think that one is too small.
Mommy?
Yeah?
And you know, we'll do more.
Yeah, we'll do more. Here, you can start this one. Where mommy does the heart. Here. Do you want to do just all red ones, or do you want to do just all blue ones, or do you want to do just different colors? What do you want to do?
Different colors.
Okay, different colors. Mommy has more Fruit Loops here, okay?
Okay.
Oh, she wants to help you. Look. Oopsie. Okay, let's just bend this side right here. We're going to bend it, and then you're just going to make a new one, okay?
One more.
Yeah. One more Fruit Loops? Okay.
They're number 10.
Yeah.
I want some more.
Dylan's like going on the table.
Dylan, you more?
Woo!
Dylan, you more?
Yeah. No, Dylan's still doing it. So what we're going to do, right here, Bubby. Right here. Oop. Oop. You're going to fall. So mommy makes this heart. See if I can do it. Let's see if mommy can do the heart, okay? You got it?
Yeah. Purple. Got any more?
What we're gonna do?
Mommy,
More Fruit Loops?
yeah. So because I have no more. Look, I these are because I did them all.
Okay, look. So now I did it, and it's the shape of a heart. Yay! Yeah, so Noah's gonna do another one, okay? We're gonna put it on the...
Mine.
Yeah.
Any color.
Dylan got upset. He wants to eat it. Okay,
Mine will move for you.
we're gonna keep on going. So on the other one that Noah had, I actually had to take off a couple Fruit Loops from the end, so you don't want to fill it completely. So all I did was just tied it, like I just twisted it to close it up, and then I just bent it, and it made it like a heart. And then you can also like connect them together, so it makes like, you know, just like a necklace almost. Not necklace, but like a row of them, and then it's, you know, you can hang them, things like that. So I did this. Uh-oh.
Oh,
yeah.
no.
I broke one. It's okay. It's okay.
You can eat it one.
So we got that. See?
I can eat it.
So
Yeah,
that's good, right? And then mommy can make another one. Yeah? So we got that. Okay. I think the Fruit Loop one is so much easier to bend. I don't know why. Bigger.
Winning.
Yeah.
I'm winning.
You're winning? I know you are. I'm winning. Whoa, Dylan.
You must do it.
One.
Let's do it.
Dylan, did you do it? You want to do it? You're all wet. Okay, ready? Dylan, look. You want to do it? Look. Okay. Now you're doing such a good job, Bubba. Yeah?
I win.
You won again? Let's see. Okay, are you ready for that one?
It's really hard.
Awesome.
There-
Whoopsie! It's okay. There is another one Noah made. So I'm going to connect all these, and at the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a picture of the bird feeder that he made.
Thanks for watching. Give thumbs up. Bye.